Hi everyone, this is Satyam and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a road trip from Chennai to Bangalore. So yeah, let's get on to it, Bangalore. So in India, basically there are three kinds of highways. Like mostly there are three kinds of highways. One is a single-lane highway, the other is a two-lane highway, and the other one is a three-lane highway. So in one-lane highway, there is one way for going and the other way for coming. In two-lane, there are two lanes for going and two for coming. And in three-lane, there are three lanes for going and three for coming. So the rules vary from like highway to highway. So in case of single-lane highway, what you have to do, you have to go in one way and there will be vehicle coming in the other way. So you have to maintain your speed while going. You have to maintain proper distance, like safe distance from the vehicle which is ahead of you. In order to overtake this vehicle, you have to overtake from the right hand side and never from the left hand side. Like this mistake, please don't do it ever. Overtake only from the right hand side, and for that what you have to do, maintain safe distance from this vehicle and then look through like that nothing is coming from the other side, and then quickly overtake this vehicle and maintain your speed. So these are the things which are to be followed when you are traveling or when you are driving on a single lane highway. In case of double lane highway, again, maintain safe distance from the vehicle which is ahead of you. Safe distance has to be maintained, and maintain your speed also in order to overtake from the right hand side. Overtake using the right lane. Okay, move to the right lane, overtake this vehicle, and then again come to the left hand side, like left lane, and then start driving. Always drive on the left lane. In order to overtake, take the right lane, and please do not overtake from the left hand side again. And suppose you are driving on the right lane, and if somebody is like continuously asking for side, move to the left lane, give the vehicle side, and continue moving on the left lane itself. You should not drive on the right lane. This is for 2-lane highways. And in case of 3-lane highways, again, choose the middle lane and maintain your speed, maintain your distance from the vehicle which is ahead of you. In order to overtake using the 3rd lane. 3rd lane you overtake and then come to the middle lane and then keep on driving. Please do not use the left lane in order to overtake. And similar things are to be followed as we followed in the second 2-lane highways. So I hope you all understood. So this is the basic rule of driving on single lane, double lane and triple lane highways. And apart from this, there are 3 more rules to drive on highways. That is when you have to join the highway, how you have to drive on the highway, and how you have to exit the highway. So suppose this is the highway and vehicles are running like this and you are here. So what you have to do, you have to observe that what is the speed of these vehicles. And then you have to maintain the same speed and then you have to go and join this highway. In case you are driving on the highway, please maintain the same speed as the vehicles are maintaining. And in case of the double lane or triple lane highways, as I told you, drive in the middle lane. In case of triple lane highway, in case of double lane highway, use the left lane and always overtake using the rightmost lane. So this you have to do when you are driving on the highway. And in case you want to exit the highway, what do you have to do? Suppose the vehicles are moving like this and you have to exit the highway like this. So for that, what you will do, first of all, you will look through the mirrors of the car that what are the vehicles that are coming from behind and they are in which lane. And then you have to give the indicator that you have to move towards right and you have to exit the highway. And then using the mirrors and the indicator and by appropriately slowing your speed, you have to exit the highway. So these are the rules for joining the highway, for driving on the highway and for exiting the highway. Apart from these, there are a few small tips also which I would like to give it to you. First of all, when you are driving on the highway, make sure that you have checked each and every part of your car, the tire, the air pressure, the petrol or the diesel quantity, and extra wheel in your car or not. And after you have understood everything, also get to know about the speeding capacity of the car, that whether the car, how much is the grip of the car when we speed up that particular car. So you have to understand these and then start your ride on the highway. So for that, what you have to do, please do not overload your car, maintain your speed, understand that the vehicle has this much of speed and this much will be the grip on the road. Do not drive for a long time on the blind spot of the other driver, and do not suddenly overtake. Always use the mirrors as well as give the proper indicators before overtaking. And the last thing is that in case you are driving and you figure out that there is some problem with your car, lower down the speed, give indications, and then change lanes and come to your left hand side, come to the left hand side of the highway, and then stop the car, switch on the hazard light such that other vehicles which are passing by, they get an indication that there is some problem with this vehicle and that's why it has stopped midway. So this is the thing which has to be kept in mind. And in case you see any other vehicle on the road with their hazard light on and they have stopped midway, you have to understand a similar thing for them too. So yeah, these are the points and these are some of the tips and tricks which you have to follow and you have to keep in mind while you are driving on the highways. So this is it for today's video. Do let me know in the comment section below how did you find today's video and was it helpful to you or not. And this is it for today, guys. If you are new to my channel, then please make sure to subscribe and please do not forget to hit the bell icon to be notified any further. Hit a like if you genuinely like the content and share it with your friends. I'll see you in my next driving video. Till then, stay tuned, keep watching, keep smiling. Bye bye. Take care.